Okay. Time to film the rest of the film.
How come they have these notice for trespassing signs? And this is state property, state parks.
This is, yeah, the railroad's a state park.
So why do they have the no trespassing sign?
This is an active railroad line.
Yeah, only reason.
This is a linear park. The whole line is. But I guess that's probably just for insurance protection. You know, someone gets hurt, hey, you went by a no trespassing sign.
That's the only reason.
What if they pull all that stuff out of the river?
At Horton Road, which is the next crossing after the marina, I drove down there the other day, and people there all piled all their brush on the track. Somebody from the Haddam Dock Road, which is the crossing at the marina itself, number 5 Haddam Dock Road, sent an email yesterday afternoon about 4:45. There are 2 trees on your property that are leaning above the wires, and if they fall down, they're going to knock down the power lines, and it'll take CLMP forever to, because it's clear enough. So I called up Rob, told him, just print it out and leave it in my box. I'll see it on Tuesday.
Yes, that's pretty good.
That's me. Great, thank you. See, now doesn't that look better than dead animals?
Somebody's a veggie, okay.
That poor chicken had a mother, you know.
Very funny.
Baby there's a private camp up there. It's a Methodist church camp. That was their private crossing going down to their dock that we just went over.
Okay.
It's called the Camp Bethel Crossing. I asked one time, could I climb down their stairs to get pictures of the train? And I missed the train that day and I never went back.
Should go.
You know, when the 12 o'clock dinner train runs, when it's over, it's a good time to get a shot from the stairs, you know. Train in the river.
Looking down the stairs.
Yeah. This is it. The end of the line.
End of usable truck.
Went around a very slight curve. So when you're down there where the runaround is, you see the headlight coming around the curve. You know? Nice. The nice thing about this car is that once you get the lead, you stand on the rear bike.